Welcome to J&J's test video for SWCE176, a 98 Corvette convertible with 50,000 miles on it. Runs, goes into gear. You can't drive it because it's missing a wheel. Has really nice interior in it. Has a little wear right here and there, but again, hard to find. Show you the odometer. Come on. 50,191 miles. She died. Tape deck works. Heater controls work. The LS. Alright, we'll show you the mirrors. Memory works. Seats do work, the lumbar does not. These things, the lumbar pops on them, but everything else works. I don't know if this one. Yeah, I don't think either lumbars is working. But the seat itself moves. And I'll put it in gear. Well, I can't. I don't want it driving off the jack because it goes right to the floor. So, yeah, that's it. I'll give you a walk around real quick. And that'll be that. The top is nice. Not really beat up. It's got a little vent right here because the window comes up wrong, but rear bumper's messed up. Power antenna works. Bumper or fender might be cracked. Oh, that headlight works. I'll show you. Headlight and the blinkers work, and the wipers work. All right, that's it. SWCE176, 50,000 mile, 98 Corvette. As always, thank you for watching. Buy a dropout and have your pets spayed and neutered.